Can you ride through the bubbles, Quinn? Look at all those bubbles. Tyler, do you see the bubbles? I know, but he's not going very far. There she goes. Woohoo! Maybe you could sing a song, Quinn? Yay! Tyler, can you say E-I-E-I-O? E-I-E-I-O. Yeah! Tyler, how about you? E-I-E-I-O? E-I-E-I-O. Oh. All right. Say see you later.
I will miss you. Bye.
Bye. You say bye-bye?
Yes, then.
Okay.